Hello, welcome to another exciting series. In today's series 16, we would be talking about or solving the question in substitution into formula in mathematics, right? So this is series 16. Let's quickly delve into it. So the question is asking us to find the value of I in the given equation where U equals 5, J equals 6, J equals 7, and H equals 8, and V equals 9, leaving your answer in three significant figures. So that our given equation is I equals to the fraction U multiplying J over H multiplying V, right? So let's quickly solve this. So we have our preamble equation to be I equals the fraction U multiplying J over HV, right? So our I is going to be I equals the fraction where we insert the values into the equation. So I is going to be the fraction 5 multiplying 6 multiplying 7, okay, by 8 multiplying 9, which is HB, right? So our I is going to be 5 multiplying 6 will give you 30, right? And 8 multiplying 9 will give you 8 times 9. So we are going to have our I to be the fraction 30 multiplying 7 out of 8 multiplying 9, okay? So simplifying further, we are going to have our I to be 30 times 7 will give us 210, and 8 times 9 will give us 72. So we are going to have our I to be the fraction 210 over 72. So our I is going to be 2.916666666667, right? That's our answer. And putting our answer into three significant figures will give us our I to be 2.92, because these 6 and 7 are higher than 5, right? So they will carry on 1, and when they carry on 1, they add this 1 to the 2.91 here to become 2.92. That's how come we have our I to be 2.92 as our three significant figures, okay? Right, so thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.